The traditional path to home ownership, 30 years of debt and endless interest, just doesn't work for most people anymore. But what if you could own your home outright without a mortgage? It's possible, but it takes a new mindset and some hustle. Today, I'll show you creative, step-by-step strategies to skip the bank, save fast, and turn your home into an income-generating asset. Ready to break free from the mortgage trap? Let's dive in. Step 1. Consider moving in with family, even if it's tough on your pride. The average rent is $2,000 a month, money you'll never see again. By living with family for just a year or two, you could save $24,000 to $48,000, enough for a down payment or even to buy a home outright in some markets. Treat it like a business move, contribute to the household, set a savings goal, and track your progress. This short-term sacrifice can launch your journey to true homeownership. It's the single biggest lever you can pull. Saving on rent is huge, but don't waste it. Get ruthless with your budget. Cut out non-essentials, daily coffee, unused subscriptions, eating out. Every dollar saved goes straight to your house fund. Use budgeting apps to track every expense and hold yourself accountable. This isn't forever, it's a focused sprint to your goal. The more you save, the faster you'll own your home. Want to speed things up? Start a side hustle and dedicate every penny to your house fund. Drive for delivery apps, flip furniture, or sell crafts online. Whatever fits your skills and schedule. Keep this income separate for maximum motivation. An extra $500, $1,000 a month can add $6,000, $12,000 a year to your savings. Combine this with your extreme savings and you're on the fast track to home ownership. With cash in hand, skip the traditional market and look for off-market deals. Target sellers who need a quick solution. Think inherited homes, foreclosures, or tired landlords. Explore seller financing or rent-to-own options where you negotiate directly with the owner. Search for sale by owner listings. Check Facebook Marketplace or connect with wholesalers. These deals often require hustle, not perfect credit. The payoff, flexible terms, and less competition. Look for distressed or cheap properties, homes that need work, and scare off most buyers. With cash, you can buy these fixer-uppers outright, often at a steep discount. Move in, tackle renovations yourself, and build sweat equity. Every improvement increases your home's value. Buy for $50,000, invest $20,000 in repairs, and you could end up with a home worth $150,000. That's instant tax-free equity you created. Don't just live mortgage-free. Make your home pay you. Rent out extra rooms or list space on Airbnb for steady income. Or buy a duplex or triplex, live in one unit, and let tenants cover your expenses. This turns your home into an asset, not a liability. You're building wealth while living for free, or even making a profit. That's the ultimate financial move. This is your roadmap to mortgage-free home ownership. It's not easy, but it's possible if you're willing to sacrifice, budget hard, hustle, and think outside the box. House hacking is the final step. Let your home generate income and start building real wealth. Are you ready to ditch the 30-year mortgage and take control of your future? Drop a house emoji in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more creative real estate tips.